Mindfulness learning, cultivating awareness and well-being in education. That introduction in the modern era filled with distraction and pressure, education faces the challenge of not only developing cognitive abilities but also the emotional and mental well-being of students. Mindfulness learning emerges as a transformative approach that promises to address this challenge, rooted in the scientifically proven practice of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness learning integrates full awareness into the learning process to enhance focus, emotion regulation, and overall well-being. Definition and basic concept of mindfulness learning. Mindfulness learning is an educational approach that incorporates the principle of mindfulness into teaching and learning practices. Mindfulness itself is defined as the awareness that arises from intentionally paying attention to present moment experiences without judgment. Kabat-Zinn 100, 1994. In the context of education, mindfulness learning involves full awareness, paying attention to the current learning experience with curiosity and acceptance, and then emotion regulation, developing the ability to manage emotion and respond to stress, focus and attention, enhancing the ability to concentrate and reduce distraction, and then psychological well-being, increasing feeling of well-being, happiness, and resilience. Scientific basic of mindfulness learning. The effectiveness of mindfulness learning is supported by various scientific students in the field of neuroscience, psychology, and education. Research indicates the mindfulness practice can alter brain structure and function. Neuroscience studies using brain imaging (fMRI) show that regular mindfulness meditation can increase gray matter volume in the brain areas associated with attention, emotion regulation, and memory. Jose et al. 2011. Reduce stress and anxiety. Mindfulness has been proven effective in reducing stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression in various populations, including students. Tang et al. 2015. Enhance attention and executive function. Mindfulness can improve the ability to focus attention, control impulses, and regulate behavior. Jia et al. tahun 2007. Improve psychological well-being. Mindfulness is associated with increased feeling of well-being, life satisfaction, and happiness. Brown and Ryan 2003. Application of mindfulness learning in education. Mindfulness learning can be applied in various educational contexts, from early childhood education to higher education. Some implementation strategies include formal mindfulness practices involving structural mindfulness meditation such as breath meditation, body awareness meditation, and loving kindness meditation. Informal mindfulness practices integrating full awareness into daily activities such as paying attention to sensation while eating, walking, or listening. Integration of mindfulness is the curriculum, incorporating mindfulness principles into a subject, such as using mindfulness exercise to improve focus during reading or writing. Mindfulness teacher training, providing teacher with the training on mindfulness practices and how to integrate them into their teaching, creating a mindfulness learning environment, establishing a calm, supportive, and attentive classroom atmosphere. Benefit of mindfulness learning for students. Mindfulness learning offers various benefits for students, including improved academic performance. Mindfulness can enhance focus, attention, and learning abilities, leading to improved academic performance. Enhance emotion regulation. Mindfulness helps the student develop the ability to manage their emotion, reduce creativity, and increase resilience. Reduce stress and anxiety. Mindfulness can help a student cope with academic stress, social pressure, and anxiety. Improve psychological well-being. Mindfulness increasing feeling of well-being, happiness, and life satisfaction in a student. Enhance social skill. Mindfulness can improve empathy, compassion, and communication skill in a student. Challenge and consideration in implementing mindfulness learning. While mindfulness learning offers many benefits, there are several challenges and considerations to be aware of in its implementation. Lack of teacher training. Many teachers lack adequate training in mindfulness practices and how to integrate them into their teaching. Time constraints. Packed curricula and high academic demand can make it difficult to allocate time for mindfulness practices. Resistance and misunderstanding. Some students and parents may be resistant to mindfulness due to misunderstanding about the practice. Adaptation for various age and needs. Mindfulness learning needs to be adapted to the different age, need, and the background of student. Evaluation and measurement. It's important to develop valid and reliable evaluation method to measure the effectiveness of mindfulness learning. Conclusion. Mindfulness learning is a promising educational approach to cultivate awareness, well-being, and academic success in a student. By integrating mindfulness principle into teaching and learning practice, educator can help students develop essential skills to face life challenge and reach their full potential. Although there are challenges in implementing mindfulness learning, its scientifically proven benefit make it a valuable investment for the future of education. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe. Bye.